All right, let's get started with the big boy. This is such a big box. Doesn't look that big on camera, but it's big. Paid $107. Boxes aren't too smashed up. Okay, so here's the first case. Aquarium style for the Aqua 3. It's a mini tower, black. And I see right there. That's what it looks like. Nice. I believe it was like $50 shipped, brand new. So you honestly can't beat it. And yeah, it is a no-namer, but it has ARGB fans, fully like customizable and stuff. Just got that just for like a budget case for a budget build. I'm turning office computers into gaming PCs, and that's gonna be one of the cases because the cases that the office PCs came in are absolutely hideous. You know, they're office PCs, so I could do like a sleeper build, but no one's gonna pay a lot of money for that unless they're like a PC nerd. And I'm here to make a profit. And I apologize if this box noise is too loud. All right, so it looks like right here, this is an Amazon resale. Let's see, is anything broken? Well, that's a good sign. It comes with the styrofoam. Let's see. Okay, no broken glass. That's a good sign. Let's see. Okay, still has the plastic on it. I mean, it definitely is cheaper. You definitely tell. Definitely more than good enough for our budget PC builds. Not bad. This thing's brand new. Still has the screws are still twist tied. Looks like it comes with everything still too. Nice. And I got this one for like $40. I'll put the prices on the screen so you guys can see exactly what I'm paying for this stuff. All my ASMR guys. It's either one of those noises that gets you fed up, makes you hate me, or you like it. There we go. Got it. This one right here is a Lian Li V100R. This is a very nice case. I got this one for $60 or $50, I think $55. Bruh. I'm not gonna open this one. I'll show you guys at the end of the video. Two more cases. Oh, it's another V100 Mini, 10mm smaller. My hair probably looks crazy, guys. I was wearing a hat today and I didn't comb my hair out in the shower. All right, this one is Asus Prime B550M Wi-Fi 2 Micro ATX. L packaging, bro. And this unit is brand new. Still has a seal and everything. Apparently on this one I paid $65. Let me know in the comments, bro. I want to know for every item. All right, this one is a Asus B85M LGA 1150 Micro ATX motherboard. This one I paid $49. Not the greatest price. I needed these for the budget office gaming PCs because no one wants a ugly motherboard inside a nice PC case like the ones I got. These builds are not, they're gonna be like $300 builds. Let's see, okay. Decent packaging. Definitely better than the bag. I'm surprised the box is not all smashed up. It is in the original box, so I guess it's not a big deal. Anti-static bag, plus. This one comes with a i3 4130 clocked at 3.4 gigahertz. So not the most modern board or a CPU. But this is actually a decent looking thing. It also comes with 8 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM. Back in the day, this definitely was a beefy board, man. Decent packaging, I guess. A little bit risky. But it is in the original box. And this is a GeForce GTX 1060. This is the 6 gigabyte version. This I paid $55. I think that's a pretty good price, especially it comes with the original box. People always pay more for that. All right, next up we have a lot of 9 Samsung 256 gig 830 SSDs. This I paid $185 for. And these were all 100% health. Very low hours as well. These are perfect for my office PCs. The 26 lot that I got for $350. SSD prices and RAM prices are through the roof. NVMe prices, GPUs, everything's going up. So this is low-key an investment. It's going up and my bank's going down. All right, let's see the next one. This one is a ASRock H310CM-HDV LGA. Let's see. Packed extremely well. This guy deserves a 5-star review. Yeah, we're not gonna open this one all the way because it's packed extremely well. I want to keep it. This is a quick video. Been so busy, guys. I apologize for not uploading as much as I'd like. I've been really busy with work, this is my work, and life. Expecting a baby here in May next month. This is a Asus Tough Gaming B550 Plus Wi-Fi. Kind of L packaging. This one comes with the original box, so that's always a plus. But it does come with all the original components, manuals, stickers, BIOS updates, IO shield, manual. So it's pretty much an open box unit. Even it comes with the M.2 standoff screws. Next one up, this is a computer motherboard, assuming it's one of the LGA ones, because I only paid 48 bucks for it. It's kind of a ridiculously sized box for what it is. What is this? I guess packed really well. The box is way too big. Probably could have saved $5 on shipping if we went to use such a big box. They actually did a really good job packaging this. Just a basic CPU fan, Intel CPU fan. This is just a basic old LGA board. All right, next one up. This one is Crucial 500 gigabytes NVMe at M.2. Very expensive, like $60. It's insane. 1 terabyte is like 120 bucks. You'll be lucky to find one under 120. You can get crappy, like, you know, Crucial, or like not Crucial, Kingston, like old Dell, Intel, but the speeds are ass. They're super outdated. Ridiculous. Overpriced. Win some and you lose some, huh? M.2. This thing feels really light. It's kind of weird. But we'll put that in one of our gaming PCs. That would be really nice. We'll pair that with a 1 terabyte hard drive, especially for like a budget style build. Hard drives are kind of not the best, but you gotta do what you gotta do in today's crisis. The Ramageddon. Yeah, let's see what we got here. This is Dell Kingston 16 gigabyte, 8 gigabyte times 2, DDR4, 3200 clock speed, and I paid $60 for this. So, not horrible, not great. Definitely not one of my best deals. But for 3200 clock speed, it's actually pretty good. Yeah, they're a PVIA Spirit Power Series 600 watt. This one is Micron Law of 10, 256 gigabyte SSD. The prices for SSDs is absolutely insane. 1 terabytes is like 50 bucks, bro. I'm not gonna about to pay 50 bucks because it doesn't bring back $50 in value. If you just put it with a terabyte hard drive or something like that, you get the same amount of value, and they get more storage. And these all had 100% health as well. Believe it or not, I'm gonna put all of these in the office PCs, so they'll $25. So grand total I'm investing. I got them for $13 a piece when you add them all up, all 26. I sold one of them already with an SSD it came with. I sold that one for $160. So I already made back almost half my money just selling one. So these are definitely worth an investment. $25 a piece. Well, in this case, $21 a piece. Not great, but also the prices are insane now. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you like these types of videos, like at this angle, or maybe I should put it a little lower. But I feel like it's a little bit more personal. You guys are able to see me and stuff and kind of get a feel of the room and the environment. And these are hard drives. These are 1 terabyte hard drives. These ones I got for cheap, 75 bucks, 5 of them, all 100% health, really good condition. But I just got these for cheap, filler storage for those budget gaming PCs because 256 gig is not enough. I'd rather give them 1.2 terabytes and 1 terabyte being a little slower versus 256 gigs, because that's like one game nowadays, guys. Like, let's keep it real. Yeah, 75 bucks for all 5 of these. I think that is pretty good pricing. Hard drives are also kind of going up too a little bit. Everything with storage, man. And these aren't that bad. People on the internet, you know, for like a 4090 build or something like that, or a 50 series build, you're not going to want to put these in there because it'll really slow it down. But for a build like that, you're also going to have a high budget. So buying a 1 terabyte M.2 isn't really going to make a difference for you pocket wise. Okay, so this was, I think, was a pretty good deal. These are Ryzen 5 5500s. They are used but open box from Amazon. So they have 30-day warranty, right? 30-day return. I paid $391 for them. I think it was around $78 or $79 per CPU, which is pretty good because on eBay these are going over 100. Even for parts, they're going for like 88, 85, missing pins, $80. I'm thinking if any of them are bad, I can obviously return them on Amazon. It's kind of a win-win. Hey guys, sorry about that. I missed these items. I forgot I had them here in my office. I got these the other day, so I wanted to show you guys. I got this 600 watt PSU. It's a non-modular PSU. And then I got a 1060 gigabyte overclock edition. And then we have a DDR3 16 gigs of DDR3 RAM. Which I got all of this for 80 euros, which is around 90 to 95 US dollars. So it's actually a really good price. Got this for a steal. Because this PSU alone is worth like 50 bucks, 40 bucks, and this is, I believe, worth around 50 bucks. So the RAM kind of got for free. So we'll be able to use this to build one of our budget gaming PCs. And we got some of the main components for only 80 euros. Alright, the last thing that I forgot to include was this VS600 Corsair non-modular power supply. This one I got it for $47, which is a little bit expensive, especially for a used power supply, but I was pretty desperate, and it was cheaper than getting a kind of a cheaper brand, I guess you could say. Rather go with a Corsair brand versus a kind of a generic brand, I guess. So not too bad. So yeah, guys, that wraps up the video. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'll put up all the prices that I paid for everything on the screen. Let me know in the comments which ones I overpaid for and which ones are good deals.